all walks of life from different parts of the world came together to discuss about issues which are affecting them.
I think the main takeaway was that basically we can't be dependent if we really want to develop our own country, that we can't be dependent on others, international community, the governments of the UK or Canada, that we have to be self-reliant and we have to figure out how to solve these problems on our own.
We were looking at solutions from a grassroots perspective. What can we as Somalis do?
For me to sit with other Somali girls, to do something big that influence us beyond stereotypes. It's a blessing, and it's great to see that.
I think this is very important for the Somali community's tenacity, the progression, but also for their mental health to actually come together and be joyous, focusing on the positivity that we actually have in our community.
Like Barack Obama said, I'm not Barack Obama, but yes, we can. We can.